Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox error code 0. Let's fix it guys. The first solution consists of three steps. The first step is to clear Roblox site cache data. To do this, open up our browser and select the three dot icon and scroll down and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side select third party cookies. In here scroll down. Select see all site data and permissions and search for Roblox. Click on the trash icon and select delete it guys. The second step is to clear Roblox cache files on our system. To do this, right click on the start icon and select run. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. In here search for temp folder, double click on it. Search for Roblox folder, right click on it and delete it guys. After deleting it, close it off here. The third step is to disable full screen optimizations. To do this, right click on the Roblox player and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark disable full screen optimizations and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to change the DNS address guys. To do this, you just need to open up our browser, select the three dot icon and scroll down and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side select security. Scroll down. You can able to see the option use secure DNS, toggle on position this one, and after doing this select DNS provider, click on the drop down and select Cloudflare. And after selecting this, you just need to close it off here and relaunch the Chrome and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to reinstall Roblox. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it, select uninstall a program, search for Roblox, select it and select uninstall. After getting uninstalled done, you just need to open up our browser and search for Roblox. Click on the Roblox site, log into your account. After logging to your account, you just need to click on any game, select the play option, select download and install Roblox, and it started downloading guys. After getting download done, click on it and install it guys. After the installation process finish, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.